Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to embed your Shopify products on any website using the Buy button app. So this is useful if you want to display your Shopify products on another website, blog, or page while still allowing visitors to shop from your store. So to get started, I want you to open your Shopify admin dashboard, and before creating the product button, you'll first need to download the Buy button app. Once the app is installed, open it from your Shopify dashboard, and from there, go to the product buy button option. So this is where you can create a button for a specific product that you want to display on another website. Choose the product that you want to use, then continue to the customization section. Next, adjust the appearance of your buy button. You can change things like the layout, button style, colors, and text so that it fits better with the website where you plan to place it. Once everything looks the way that you want, continue to the final step. And then Shopify will then generate an embed code for your product. Simply copy this code and paste it into the HTML of the website where you want the product to appear. And after the code is added correctly, your Shopify product and buy button will be displayed on that site, allowing visitors to view the product and shop through Shopify. And that's basically how you can embed a Shopify product on another website using the Buy button app. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.